Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can exit out of full screen in OSU. So there's basically two ways to do this. One is by navigating through the options and one is by using the shortcut button. Now I suggest using the shortcut button first, and that's going to be Alt Enter. So you just want to press the two buttons simultaneously, and then it will switch between full screen, the window mode, and borderless. You can also try navigating through setting. In here, you then want to select graphics, and inside this page, there's going to be the screen mode. This is basically, once again, the window mode, borderless, and full screen. So just click on it, select the screen mode that you want to play into, and simply from there, you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.